quick warning before you watch any more of this video, there will be some flashing lights and strobe effects. So if you're affected by them, you shouldn't watch any more of this video because we are going to be turning these on any second now. So I needed to get that out of the way first, just in case someone is affected by that. Now, you can connect more than just two. I have seen videos of about at least 10 of these all connected up. So I'm not sure how many you can actually connect up continuously, but I've got these two connected. I've had a little play about it and yeah, they work really well. One thing I was a little bit disappointed in, and that is the instructions. They're very basic. It doesn't tell you about, what app you need to download or anything like that, or how to install the app, or how to connect the app to this. It would have been nice if they either put a Q code on there to say, oh, go and use this app, or go and use that app, or we have a selection of apps you can use. And also it would be nice to see a video on how to connect them, because I did try and connect an app to this and so far I failed. But I wrote to them and said, look, can you explain to me how to connect it? And I've seen other people struggling to connect them as well. Now there's other ways of controlling these. There is, of course, a remote control, and that works really well. And you can actually do it manually. But before we do that, I'm going to quickly show you around and show you exactly what you get. Obviously you get the instructions, remote control. You get a power plug for charging her up or keeping it powered up. You can actually just leave this in as far as I understand. But they do have built-in batteries. That should last quite a long time. So two of them. You have two connection cables. So you can link that one to that one or that one to that one. If that makes sense, yeah? Hopefully it makes sense. We have an LED display, and I will turn it on in a second. We have a Wi-Fi connection with DMX code, IRC receiver, and that is for your remote control. A selection menu, up and down and enter. Let's have a quick look around it first. Now we have for, if you want to do dual connection like I've got it set up now, you need, let me unplug that, a male and a female. So that is a female going into a male. So it is a bit wobbly, by the way, when you put these in. It's a little bit discerning, but it does go in. And then another one coming out to go into another one, if that makes sense. We have a mounting bracket, so if you want to mount it to, say, a ceiling, yeah, maybe, you can screw in a connection on there. That's quite a big connection, by the way. I'm not even sure what size it is. It's made of metal. It has some sort of bracket on the bottom. Again, I don't know what that does. We have your power connection, and it is color coded, by the way, which is very helpful. So the blue one will go in there for powering it up. Not sure what the white one does. Sorry, but I don't know. Like I said, the instructions are very, well, they're very basic really, and that's about it really. A nice little carrying handle if you need to carry it anywhere. Now I'm going to quickly go through the menu. So we have DMX512, press enter, and you can change up and down to different numbers. I think it goes to 1 to 12. 512. We'll leave it on 1. Come off of that. So if you want to come off, just go menu again, go to the next one. Shows. Right, let's do some shows, shall we? Click on that, and we have color effect. You may notice that that one's not doing nothing yet. Make sure you're on the right number, which is 02 on this one, and we want 01, and they should sync up. Come out of there, so that's off. Now if I change that to fade, yeah, so that's both going together. You just got to put them on the same channel, yeah? Makes sense? Yeah, so if I go down again to Outtro sudden, strobe, I won't stay on there too long. Wi-Fi mode. Now like I said, I haven't quite set Wi-Fi mode up yet. I will have a play about it, and hopefully by the time you watch the rest of this video, I would have sussed it out and know how to do it. So come out of there. We have a sound one as well, so go across, enter. See that? Hello? Or tap. We have different modes. Oh, and also you can see the bars going up and down. Look. Let's go down. Can you enter? Different effects. Go down. Oh, it's different numbers. Oh, I see. We're on that bit. Oh, okay, stop that. Go down to 4, see what that does. Works really well, doesn't it? You can imagine this in a big gig or even in your own home. We will be trying it out on a wall or something just to see what it looks like when you're playing a bit of music. Yes, we will play a bit of music. Go back again. One more. Let's go. Well, we was on sound, weren't we? Let's go down to colours. Now, custom colours and static colours. You can set your own up. Go into settings. In here you can play back with your DMX channels. Mine is set to 10. I've not touched it since I've got it. We're on 2.4 Wi-Fi and that's on at the moment. Infrared is off and I need to turn it on right now because I want to show you remote control. Let's see if she works. Off. On. Now the on bit is a bit weird actually because you turn it on and nothing happens, but if you go to fade it works. Yeah, so fade, strobe, sound effects. Choose your colour. As far as I understand, you can actually turn the sound off as well. You might find it a bit annoying. The actual beep I'm on about, I think it's in settings. Buzzer, there you go, buzzer. Enter. On. Off. Right, let's see if that works. Still working on that one. That's better. Very annoying. All tone. Yeah, it works really well at the moment. Like I said, I can't figure out how, at the moment, how to connect my phone to this because it's not coming up. We have a flashing light on there saying it's looking for Wi-Fi, but it's not working. Right, so I did say, hopefully I'll have it sussed how this works or how you link it to your phone. And yes, I sussed it. It caught me out a bit and I thought, that's a bit strange, isn't it? Anyway, I'm going to go through how to download software or what software to download. And then I'm going to show you how to set it up and how to get it linked to your phone. So if this is helpful, make sure you subscribe, click on the bell for notification and give me the thumbs up. And also I will make a separate video just on this bit because I know there's quite a few people out there who think, how the hell do I get it to link to my phone? I can't find it on my phone because I couldn't. So with that, let's get on with it. So go to the App Store, type in LED Lamper. That's what I typed in anyway. Don't ask me why, it just comes up. And you want this baby here, LED lamp. Yes, I've already got it installed, but I also found another one as well, so don't panic. There's two, LED lamp and LED Wi-Fi. Now they both look the same to me, so if I click on that one, yeah, close that, and if you go to the other one, let's go back, get out. If you click on that one, they look the same, right? So I just wanted to point that out to you, in case you're wondering. Now, go to your Wi-Fi settings on your phone or Android device, whatever it is, and I'm connected to my home network at the moment and there's nothing on there for me to connect to, or not what I'm looking for anyway. So you've got this on, I'm going to quickly show you something first. So if you go down to settings, click on that, go down to Wi-Fi, that's 2.4 gigahertz wireless, yeah? Now look, it's turned off. Now, I don't know if this is supposed to be like this, but if you leave it off, it will still work. Scroll back until you go to the main menu, scroll up or down till you get to shows, like so, press the enter button. Go down to Wi-Fi, look, I'm already down to Wi-Fi, go back, yeah, so go down to Wi-Fi, press enter, and basically that activates your Wi-Fi. Now, it tells you what this is. So this is the LD400, that's this box. Yeah, so I have another box that has a different number on it. So what you need to do, so you go down to Wi-Fi LED, click enter, you will get this little picture come up, and that means it should find it on here. Now if it doesn't, just refresh, LED 400, see that? Click on that. Now mine will ask me to switch, and I'm going to say no, I don't want to switch. I'm going to press decline because I want to stay on that one. So now my phone is connected to that. I know it's a bit strange because that's not flashing, but then that's a wireless DMX code, so that is totally different. I'm not very familiar with that part of it, so I'm going to leave that bit alone, but I wanted to show you that bit. So you've got that running, click on this. Now you will need to add it, yes, so all you do is go back button, press on plus, like so, and on mine, or on this, you go down the stage, on this actual unit, go down the stage, and it's LED light, that one now. And voila! So if I go up to green, we have a green light, yeah? Go down to purple, pink, orange, yeah? I'll try not to blind you. Blue, or you can do a direct colour, nice red, yeah? Very easy. Also, it's got some modes on it as well. Now, this can be a little bit fiddly to get it right. So we have yellow gradient, speed is 69, and brightness is 100. So if you can change this to, say, that one, green gradient, and then you can scroll that up, and it will change it slightly on the colour modes. As you can see, it's scrolling through different modes, and you can adjust the speeds, yeah, and your brightness. Easy enough. So go down right back to the beginning. 7 colour jump. So it's going to go through 7 different colours. Again, you can increase the speeds. Maximum speed. Yes. That works really well. That's very easy. Now, I'm guessing, move that out of the way. I'm guessing there will be, let me move that out of the way. I'm recording on this so it's easier for you to see. I'm guessing you can make your custom ones, but also I'm guessing there'll be other apps you can download. Once you've connected it to your phone, then you should be able to do it quite easily. So we have jump, which is what we've got. Breathing. That's quite nice. Yeah, quite like that. You can slow it down if you want to slow it down. Flash. Yeah, speed her up. And gradient, or gradient, sorry, not gradient, gradient. That's quite nice. And you can also make your own as well. Make your own colours, that is. Yeah, and then you just save it and confirm it. So if I want a bit of, I don't know, bit of that, then you just confirm, and voila. And then I've no idea. I've not played about that bit, but I just wanted to show you. Once you know, it's really easy to set up. Now, moving on. Now you know how to do that. Moving on. Playing music, it does work, but ideally, if you're playing music and you want the lights to flash to the sound, it really needs something of a bit of bass to it, because doesn't work very well, but then it's designed for a stage, and there's a hell of a lot of noise in a stage. You know, if you're playing a live gig or something, it works extremely well. I did try it on my phone, it does work, but you do have to do a few adjustments on the sensitivity. I think that's what it was, sensitivity. But yeah, it did work, and I thought, oh, that's all right, isn't it? Yeah, so yeah, very pleased. The only thing I would say, I was a little bit disappointed in the instructions because they was a bit confusing, didn't really give you enough information, and I did shout out to them and said, look, what app do I need? And they sent me a link to their website. It shows you all the different software you can download and manuals as well. But what I do like about this is a variation of options. You've got the DMX, which I don't really know how to use yet. I haven't really looked into it. You have manual control actually on the unit itself. You have the remote control as well. Yes. I think I turned it off. Let me try it. That one? Yeah, I think I turned it off. I thought I had. Yeah, you can turn it off. So I've turned it off for now. So you have remote control and you have an app. And it works really well. I'm very pleased. I think I turned it off actually. Yeah, it's good. Definitely gets my thumbs up. See, Wi-Fi is turned off. Turn that on. Wi-Fi is now on. Click on it. Change your colours, whatever you want to do. I think we lost connection. We have, because I've been playing about with it. Go to there. Where are we? Wi-Fi. We need to connect it. There it is. LED. We're in. No data. Thingy jiggy. Decline. We're back in again. Change my colours. Voila. Yeah. Let's go for blue. So that is it. Fantastic for entertainment purposes, whether it's for a stage or whether you want to use it in your house or in your garden, put it against your wall. It's going to look great. And it doesn't need to be plugged in all the time. It lasts up to 8 to 9 hours on a full charge. And you can link, as far as I know, any amount of these boxes together. You could do it like forever and ever, providing you've got enough power, of course. So with that, if you find this video useful, like I said earlier, click on the bell to get notified, click on subscribe, and also give me the thumbs up for this video. Thank you very much for watching. It works. It's brilliant. I love it.